Assalamu alaikum. This is the application of Bellman-Ford algorithm visualization. This application is an implementation of Bellman-Ford algorithm for finding the shortest path in a weighted graph. The code receives the graph data from the users through three input elements and display the resulting graph and a shortest path. The software is developed by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Overall, this code provides functional implementation of the Bellman-Ford algorithm and a simple visualization of resulting shortest path. However, it does not include any error handling or input validation, which could cause problem if the users entered invalid input. So first of all, we have to know the what is Bellman-Ford algorithm. Bellman-Ford algorithm is a shortest path algorithm used to find the shortest path between a source vertex and all other vertices in a weighted graph with negative edge weight. The algorithm works by iterating over all edges in the graph, relaxing them by comparing the distance of their endpoint and updating the distance to the destination vertex if a shortest path is found. This process is repeated after all the vertices in the graph, ensuring that the algorithm finds the shortest path from the source all other vertices. So here we can see this is the home page of our Bellman-Ford algorithm application. First, the part to get the input element, the visualization element from the users. The input values are retrieved and the Bellman-Ford algorithm is executed when the user clicks the run button. This is the run button of our application. The shortest path in is then displayed, which generates a string containing the shortest path from the source vertex to each vertex in the graph. Then we have to ensure our test case is invalid. When the receiving source vertex, the number of vertices and the list of edges and the input. Here we can see this is our source vertices and this is our vertices boxes and this is the where we have to input our edges. The algorithm initializes an array distance with a maximum value and set the distance of the source vertex to 0. The function then iterated through all the edges and update the distance of each vertex if a shortest path is found. Finally, the function checks for the negative cycle and throw an error if in found. So here we can see what's the output of our algorithm. Here we can input the source can be 0, vertices can be 4, and this is our edges. We have to make sure that the edges input is corrected JSON format, which should be look like this. Our each edge should be an objective from with the form to end and wait properties. Make sure that the keys and values are enclosed in a double quotation and that the entire array is enclosed in a square bracket. Now we can run our algorithm. Here we can see the visualization of our algorithm. This is how the Bellman-Ford algorithm visualization software is visualize the algorithm. After accurately entering the test case into the appropriate input fields, by the clicking run button, the algorithm will begin to process and display the show how the Bellman-Ford method works and discover the shortest path step by step. Source vertices and edges will be displayed in an animation. We have must run the software in order to view the animation. The Let's now discuss the main objective of the software. The Bellman-Ford visualization software has the objective of helping user and understand the Bellman-Ford algorithm, which is a well-known algorithm used to find the shortest path in a graph from a single source vertex. Here are some points regarding its objective. Visualize the Bellman-Ford algorithm. The software aims to provide a visual representation of how the Bellman-Ford algorithm works step by step. Here we can see the software is visualize the edges and vertices step by step. Understand the shortest path concept. The software helps user understand the concept of shortest path and how it's calculated using the Bellman-Ford algorithm. Debugging. The software provides an interactive environment for debugging the algorithm to identify any error in an implementation. This is also efficiency of algorithm. The software aims to demonstrate the efficiency of the Bellman-Ford algorithm by showing how it finds the shortest path in a graph polynomial time. Customization of graph. The software can allow the users to customize the graph, including the number of vertices, weights, and edges. The source vertices. Here we can see. we can decrease the partition 4 to 3. This is how our algorithm works. Education purpose. The software aims to be an educational tool